Hi, I'm Ciliann. Welcome to my art channel. In this video, I'll show you how to paint tiger lilies in oil color. Enjoy! So let's use some ultramarine blue with a little black to darken it. And let's draw the outside of our petals of the first tiger lily. They're not always so evenly spread around. Here we have one petal hanging down on the side. And we'll do some magenta in the center and try to blend the blue with the magenta together. In the center of each petal. Use some white to lighten it. And to blend it together. In the light areas of the flower, the white will really shine that magenta. And you can use it also to show the shape of the petal. And in this particular picture, the center is a lighter area. The light is shining through. We'll do the dots with magenta and a dark blue. And since this is a side view of a tiger lily, we'll show the stamens coming up in different directions, turned upwards with green. And for the tips of them, we'll do a straight line with Indian red. Here we'll do some lightness around the edges of the petals as well. And blend that through. Add some more dots if necessary. And you'll have your beautiful blue tiger lily. Not such a common color, but really gorgeous. Now for the white kind. A basic shape with a flat brush. This one, the petals, some have very curly edges, and the very tips of the petals are also curled underneath. So we'll just place one paint splotch next to the next to make that bumpy edge on the smaller petals, which are really underneath the larger petals. Although we did them first, they are really more towards the background of the flower. And we'll just place each dot of paint side by side to give that bumpy edge. Now touching the paintbrush into a drop of black, give some shading to those petals. A little bit of black goes a long way, so just use the tiniest drop and it will blend in with the white that's already there. And that will give your petals some texture and some shadow. Don't go all the way till the edge. Leave the edge to show how it sort of turns up. Now at the center of each of these petals, there is the highest point of it, which is a yellow line, and from there it sort of slopes downwards. So give each yellow line all the way from the top till the bottom. And just to show how it comes out from the center, sloping downwards towards the outer edge of the petals, we'll give a little bit more color on the sides of the line. And then with some red, Indian red, we'll just give each one 2 lines side by side to show the roundness of the center of each petal. And with some green, we'll put in those stamens, and we'll make them sort of coming out in different directions, with the tips of them somewhat turned in little U shapes, since this is a top view. So we're looking at them from above. And with Indian red, once again, we'll give these petals their dots. Try to make them all sort of look like they're coming out from the center and moving outwards towards the end of the petals. I'm not really sure why they're called tiger lilies. More like leopard lilies. But there we have it. All their little dots. Sort of randomly placed. And here's the most common color, pink. Three evenly spaced large petals, and in between each one a smaller, narrower petal. With some darker, brighter tones at the center and the sides. And some white in the middle. Now going around the edge with a lighter orangey peach color. And some darker edges with pink. And that'll give you shadier parts and brighter parts, some different tones. And this is also a top view, so those will be coming out from different directions. And being a younger flower, there's still green over there, a brighter green. rather than red, and all the pollen's been out. And here we'll put those dots. With some pinkish red. And there's our pretty lily. I'll add some highlights here and there on the bright sides. Hope you enjoyed watching. Hope you paint some yourself. They're a very pretty flower if you have them in your house. Take a good look at them. See all the different tones. See where the light hits. Enjoy.